In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore your Shopify store. Backing up your store is one of those tasks that doesn't feel urgent until something goes wrong. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple, repeatable way to export the key parts of your Shopify store, and then how you'd bring them back in if you ever needed to restore things. Start by logging in and going to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage everything for your store. We're going to work entirely from here. Now, it's important to understand that Shopify doesn't offer a single one-click backup button. Instead, you back up your store by exporting different types of data separately, like products, inventory, customers, discounts, and your theme. That might sound like more work, but once you've done it once, it's pretty straightforward. Let's begin with your products. In the left-hand menu, click on Products. This page lists all of your products and their details. At the top right of this page, you'll see an option to export. Click Export and choose the settings that make sense for you, usually exporting all products as a CSV file. Shopify will either download the file or email it to you. Save this file somewhere safe, like a dedicated backup folder on your computer or in cloud storage. Next, you'll want to back up your inventory levels. Go to Inventory from the admin menu. This shows current stock levels for each product variant. Again, look for the Export button, usually at the top right of the page. Click Export and download that CSV file as well. This is useful if you ever need to restore exact stock quantities after an issue. Now, move on to your customers. Click on Customers in the left menu. This is your customer database, so it's important to keep it backed up regularly. Just like before, click Export, choose whether you want all customers or a filtered list, and save that CSV file securely. After customers, head over to discounts. This is where your discount codes and automatic discounts live. Once you're on the discounts page, look for the export option and click it. Download and store that file with your other backups. Finally, let's back up your theme. In the left-hand menu, click Online Store, then go to Themes. On your current theme, do not click Customize. Instead, look for the button labeled Edit and click the three dots next to it. In that drop-down, select Download Theme File. Shopify will prepare a theme file and send it to the email associated with your store. Download that file and keep it with your other backups. Now, if you ever need to restore your store, the process is essentially the reverse. Go back to each of those same areas: products, inventory, customers, discounts, and themes. And instead of choosing Export, you'll choose Import where available. Upload the CSV files you previously downloaded for products, inventory, customers, and discounts. For the theme, go back to Online Store and use the option to upload a theme file, then select the theme file you downloaded earlier. Once the imports are complete, your stored data and theme will be restored to match the backups you created. Make sure you double check a few products, customers, and discount codes to confirm everything looks right. And that's all you need to know to back up and restore your Shopify store safely.